So the mean value theorem is applied to the function f of x equals ln of x minus 3 on the interval 4, 8. Then the number c must exist in 4, 8 is. So we're trying to apply the mean value theorem. And if you remember the mean value theorem, what it says is that the derivative at c is equal to the average rate of change, so f of b minus f of a over b minus a, where 4 would be your a, b would be your 8. So the first thing we're going to have to do is take the derivative. So the derivative of ln of x minus 3 is, the derivative of ln is 1 over u times the derivative of u, and the derivative of x minus 3 is 1. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to find the average rate of change. So we're going to have ln of b is 8, so 8 minus 3 minus a, so it'll be 4 minus 3 all over 8 minus 4. Okay, so ln of 1 is 0. Remember that ln of 1 is equal to 0. That's something you need to remember. So we end up with ln of 5 equals to 4. Step 3 is we're going to set them equal to each other and solve for x. So solving for x, right, I cross multiply, divide by ln of 5, add 3. And you remember that this is a calculator portion, so I'm just going to go ahead and calculate that in my calculator to 3 decimal points. So x is going to be 5.485. So 5.485.